right, y'all, we just gonna go ahead and get started. How y'all doing? This is my channel where I do wigs, hair, anything beauty. Hell, girl, I'm about to start bringing out the outfit. I have something special today. This is a sponsorship. This wig company is called Fave Incorporation. And yes, they are on Amazon. See, and the wig comes like this. This is a soft faux locks, full lace wig with baby hairs. Now this is supposed to be a 30-inch knotless twist, lock inspired. And the color is in natural black. So it does come with some little lashes, y'all. And it comes with a stocking cap. Now this is a little light for me, but that is okay. It's not bad, it's not bad. This wig is extremely lightweight, 30 inches. I can get jiggy with her. I can get jiggy with her. Wig itself is structured just so y'all can get a view of them baby hairs. I believe I'm about a 24 circumference. I think. Girl, I got a big ass head. See how this works? Now, she is looking a little ashy, but makeup may help. We're just gonna see what we can do, okay? The side of the wig is kind of like, how do I explain this? It's kind of like flipped over. They flipped the lace over. So there are adjustable straps inside of that flipped over lace. The wig is double-minded, double-laced, double-double. The wig is double-laced. I'm gonna cut this shit out. I don't need this. It won't hurt nothing. Yeah, as you can see, y'all, it's still lace under here. Now that I notice and I'm actually looking at the wig itself, there are medium parts at the top and then the parts get bigger at the bottom. I know y'all see that. I know y'all see this. I am about to go ahead and reposition y'all so that y'all can see this wig. I'm going to just lighten up these baby hairs. We're gonna go ahead and cut the front. I typically cut the front while it's off my head. It just works better that way for me. She is a little snug. The wig itself does not fit my head. A little upset about it, but we're gonna make this work because I know there's some ladies out here that do have smaller heads and they actually might like a wig like this. So let's just give her a more realistic look and then I'll come back through these baby hairs with y'all. I'm gonna flip this inside out, y'all, and we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna just go ahead and start off with makeup. If we gotta build it up with something else, this is what we're gonna do. The OGs know. Y'all know what's up. Girl, you too ashy. I'm gonna actually go in with Got To Be. Just leaving like a little residue. Once it is tacky to where it look like bubblegum a little bit, when you lift your finger up, you know you are ready. Have that going. We're gonna put these baby hairs down finally. And then I'm gonna put my wig band on. All right, y'all, I just took the wig band off. Look like I'm about to go on vacay. Okay, I look like I'm about to go on vacay. Let me put a little makeup, but just the parts that I know for sure are gonna be out, that's where I'm putting some makeup. Let me see if the back will come down. Nah, the back. I also could have centered my wig better. So it's slightly off. So yeah, she is about 30 inches. She's coming probably to like the top of my butt. Y'all can really see what we working with. Now, I didn't even put no makeup back here, so y'all, when I come and look at this video, please bear with me with this, all right? Let me show y'all the back. Now, I'm having issues because she is not long enough. As y'all can see, you're really not gonna see any of this, okay? So that's the only downfall I have with this wig, is the fact that it don't fit my head. They still have the 10% off at the moment. So yeah, you could get this wig for about $53, a little over 54. But she is cute. As far as the heaviness, girl, she's so lightweight. Make sure everything is covered in the back. Y'all, what? Not I sat in the chair for 8 hours. Put some earrings on. Hey, comment down below. Tell me how you felt before when I showed y'all it, and tell me how you feel now. I want to thank Fave Hair for giving me this wig promotion. Y'all ate with this one. Soft, super soft, super soft. It is breathable. Now, but it had two laces on it, double laced. I don't know if a double lace is gonna be breathable. Hell, once I took that lace off, girl, ain't nobody hot over here. I'm about to be on somebody's beach. How y'all like Vuu Squad? Vuu Squad, what's up? Vuu Squad, Vuu Squad, how I do? Tell me how I did. Okay, I love y'all so much. I'm not gonna talk y'all ear off. I believe that is it. Again, I will leave the link to this wig down below, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher.